Good morning, fellow traders. Bubblehead here, and it's time for the Good Morning Market Prep for Thursday, January 16th, 2020. And I hope everybody had a great night last night. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about today is for educational purposes only and not investment advice. So please take a moment to review this disclaimer. All right, let's check and see where we left off in the market yesterday. So SPX, put in a fresh all-time high. We did have a couple upper shadows up here. Futures were a little bit down last night, and then they kind of got green, and then they were good, and now they're up quite a bit. So we'll see how that moves into the open. We had the phase one trade deal signed yesterday. Europe rallied pretty well. Asia and Europe, were rallying pretty well on that. So we're getting some nice follow through on that this morning. We'll take a look at that in a moment. But generally, just the trend is up until proven otherwise, right? We're still above the upper trend line. Even with the upper shadow here, we're still continuing to trend up. So again, just have to keep an eye intraday, and we're seeing some fast selling intraday. You can see here, intraday we are seeing some fast moves down. So just have to be careful, with intraday positions, and just be, make sure stops are appropriate. So with that being said, let's take a look at the S&P futures here and see how they're looking. All right, so again, definitely up this morning here from yesterday's low. Here's your high, here's your low. Boom, right there. So we're basically holding the upward trend line right now. Got a couple pivots right here, so we'll see, if it can hold this level right here tonight or this morning. Gosh, we're all over the place here. So we get this. See if we can hold there. And continue to rally into today. Okay, so SP futures are up 10.25 points today. So let's just see if this rally continues. So we're continuing to monitor that. Okay, so that being said, we have some earnings that are on the list today. So we have Alcoa had earnings yesterday. So a little bit of a downbeat report there. So we're seeing that it is down pre-market. So we'll be watching the 15 orb on that one. Morgan Stanley reports today. Okay, so we're going to keep an eye on Morgan Stanley. This occasionally can be pretty fun to trade, so definitely keep that on the watch list. And then Schwab. It'd be interesting to see, what they say with their recent, merger with TD Ameritrade or acquisition at TD Ameritrade. So that will be one to look at too, see if that can give any setups today. In the upgrade/downgrade world, Tesla got a downgrade from Morgan Stanley this morning. So Tesla's been interesting the last couple days, right? It hasn't been a place where you really want to necessarily get long, right? But it has been holding some levels. Now, when it broke down yesterday, we had a hanging man top here, and now we have a kind of a shooting star formation. The only thing we saw is that, we are approaching the upward trend line right here. So there was the potential of a little bit of support. Right now we're down pre-market 505, so that would put us below the trend line today, so to form a new trend box. Let's see if this prior resistance level can hold, so the 500 level. If that holds, we may see a bounce. If not, the next level down is this 483, so we're going to keep an eye on that one. After this downgrade this morning to see if that gets any, if they decide to buy the dip on that one or if they push it down. Next, we have Amazon actually got an upgrade this morning. First time in a while. Well, I want to, I think not too long ago, but anyway, so got an upgrade here. Earnings, coming up not too far away, so it's up a little bit pre-market here, about 10 points. So we'll see if that gets any power behind that today. If the market is strong today, Amazon may actually, start to pick up a little bit. And lastly, we have Luckin Coffee got a maintain today. So it's up a little bit pre-market here. Let's see if Luckin Coffee can continue its crazy up move here. So again, look, this pattern right here is not dissimilar to Tesla. Crazy move up right here. Now we didn't have a hanging man top, but we did see two red bars right here. So, but this one got to maintain. So let's see if it can get a push and get above these all-time highs and continue to go. So as it holds its trend. So good stuff, guys. I hope everybody has an awesome and safe trading day today. And we'll see you guys at the lunchtime market update and on Twitter. And remember, your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game. And I'll talk to you soon.